While GNSS remains the primary source for vital positioning, navigation, and timing, GNSS and GPS satellite-based data is vulnerable to disruption and jamming by enemies, putting missions at risk. Assured position navigation and timing demands resilient inertial-based navigation systems from EMCORE and our battle-proven unjammable family of TacNav systems for military land vehicles. EMCORE TacNav tactical inertial navigation systems are deployed by militaries around the world, with more than 22,000 TacNav systems installed on combat, command, and support vehicles of all types, including the U.S. Army. The TacNav suite of products combines inertial navigation systems such as the TacNav 3D INS with a dashboard-mounted moving map display that provides position, heading, distance, bearing to waypoint, and more on a touchscreen viewable in all lighting conditions. And also with a universal multilingual display that presents navigation and other critical information in multiple languages for drivers and commanders, as well as mortar crews and other warfighters. The TacNav family is versatile and includes models tailored to a wide variety of military land vehicle applications, ranging from tanks and other heavy turreted vehicles, such as armored personnel carriers, to non-turreted and light military vehicles, including troop transports, ambulances, convoys, scout recon vehicles, and special operations units. The flagship of the TacNav family is the TacNav 3D Inertial Navigation System, which provides highly accurate full 3D navigation in all terrains and utilizes EMCORE's exclusive photonic integrated chip for ultimate performance, reliability, and 100% situational awareness in GNSS-denied environments. TacNav 3D is designed for easy integration with A-PNT battlefield management systems and EMCORE's moving map and multilingual displays, and also functions as a standalone navigation solution. EMCORE's TacNav 2C inertial navigation system is a lower-cost option for highly accurate fiber optic gyro-based navigation for all terrains. It delivers accurate heading and dead reckoning navigation and orientation, and 100% situational awareness in GNSS-denied environments, with greater accuracy than competing navigation systems. TacNav 2C integrates with battlefield management systems, is compact and lightweight, and designed for the close confines of turreted and non-turreted vehicles. EMCORE's moving map display offers real-time moving map technology for EMCORE's TacNav family of tactical navigation systems. Designed for demanding battlefield conditions, the MMD's touchscreen is viewable in all lighting conditions. EMCORE's versatile, affordable, universal multilingual display provides critical navigation information in multiple languages for vehicle drivers and commanders, as well as mortar crews and other warfighters. Built with a rugged design and clear display, the TacNav UMD offers active dot matrix design and a user-friendly interface with easy-to-read icons, messages, and pop-up menus. EMCORE's TacNav Lite and Lite GPS are field-proven digital compass-based battlefield navigation systems designed for light, non-turreted vehicles. The TacNav Lite GPS suite with embedded GPS combines the TacNav Lite with EMCORE's moving map and universal multilingual displays for a powerful set of features that brings a new level of flexibility, reliability, and performance to light vehicle navigation. A vehicle commander's moving map display works alongside and complements the driver's TacNav universal multilingual display for designed-in flexibility. EMCORE's TacNav tactical navigation systems for military ground vehicle navigation deliver proven performance on the world's battlefields. EMCORE is partnered with the U.S. Army and is a supplier to some of the most mission-critical defense programs in the world, including the MLRS Multiple Launch Rocket System and HIMARS, the High Mobility Artillery Rocket System. EMCORE's combat-proven product family of precision battlefield artillery and radar positioning, pointing, and survey systems delivers mission-critical information to soldiers for precise military ground attack operations. Our DRU-HR Dynamic Reference Unit and PNU Universal Position and Navigation Unit support Paladin, Firefinder, and air surveillance radar systems and share common architecture components currently fielded on MLRS, HIMARS, and EMCORE's iPads, Improved Position and Azimuth Determining System. These systems feature high-performance RL-34 ring laser gyros and are impervious to jamming in inertial mode. EMCORE's iPads Improved Position and Azimuth Determining System is an inertial surveying system developed to meet today's demanding U.S. Army and Marine Corps survey needs. iPad's design was driven by survey operations functionality, navigational accuracy, transportability, survivability, and affordability for a wide variety of military combat vehicles. iPads offers a proven, reliable, lightweight, off-the-shelf solution developed around 4 main components housed in a robust frame that allows for easy component access and stability while facilitating a ready 2-person transfer between vehicles and aircraft. The iPad system is used to initialize weapons and align artillery assets. Its high-precision common survey enables efficient mass fires. It features advanced navigation aids, including compass rose and digital maps, plus in-vehicle and offset survey capability, and combat-proven high reliability with no periodic calibration required. iPads is also offered with a built-in GPS option, and an international version is available. EMCORE's precision artillery and radar positioning and pointing and battlefield artillery survey systems provide precisely what the Army of today and tomorrow needs. Systems designed to remain operationally effective and affordable to support well into the future. EMCORE is leading a new era in battlefield navigation.